Bout number 18th of the day overall, 76th, 63.5 kg welterweight finals.
Round 1.
Ingrid Mokit representing Kazakhstan. In blue, Mohamed representing Kyrgyzstan, who's getting his work rate up right from the word go, which is the ideal way to start off against very strong Kazakhs. He eaten the punch as he's swaying of the punches. Both landed their flurry of punches. Look at the determination. That killer look in the face of Mukit.
Mukit, he was in a hurry on the very beginning. Look at the steady stance like a stone. His head even not moving from taking that cut from Muhammad. This is steady. Wow. What a strong, steady stance he's showcasing.
Oh, powerful right landed there for Mukit.
Both fighters exchanging heavy blows.
Both fighters, understandably, with their stance, southpaw boxers, trying to load up in their left hand, and delivers just like that. One landed for Mukit. Immediately takes the lead. Another jab. Excellent work rate. Another one landed.
Muhammad.
Where did this accuracy comes from?
He
Moving
also,
this quick.
I think this Kazakhstan have their history on Olympia.
Oh, brilliant.
Left marks.
Relentless pressure. Keep moving forward. And he's not too worried about eating a couple on the way. Keep marches on. Kazakh supporters on their feet.
Mukit is searching for that count. Still not getting it. Until that, he's relentlessly striking. Striking as hard as he can. Get those jabs straight. Counter punches from Mukit. They're clear, crystal clear.
Comparatively, Mukit landing flurry of punches. Another one. There is some power. Very sharp punches as he moves forward. Showmanship on the way. What class.
Mukit not going to close. He's letting opponent come close to his circle. Oh, that's a nice 1-2 combination from Mukit.
As we reach us the final 10 seconds of round number 1. One more one-sided round. We were hoping Kyrgyzstani, fellow Central Asian, would live up to the standards. Not to be.
Stop!
Round number 1 done. Judges in favor of red corner. 5-0.
Kyrgyzstan boxer taking advices from the coaches. He's a good fighter so far.
To stop another Kazakh boxer bagging the gold, Kyrgyzstan boxer will have to do something out of the ordinary, something incredible. He's been landing, just swinging. Accuracy wasn't ideal, but on the other hand, take a look at it. One after the other,
Seconds
combination after combination, dominance.
These Kazakhstan boxers have boxing in the whole body. As you can see there. After
Round
strike, they're
2.
leaning backward quickly. That's what makes them hard to reach.
Another one landed just like that, all too easy. Keep pressing forward. There is power in their punches. That's why immediately after eating a punch, very apprehensive the opponent. Oh, combination after combination.
Muhammad,
Taking its toll. Another right landed right on the chin.
Muhammad, he also has the speed.
We must give to Mohamed, who's keep coming after eating all those punches. But brilliant work rate from Mukit representing Kazakhstan. I think based on what we've seen throughout the first round and in the second round, it'll take something very, very special. It'll take something out of the ordinary if
Blue.
Kyrgyz boxer
Head
to
up.
stop Mukit from
Box.
bagging the gold.
Mukit in a very
It looks
big
like
hurry.
18th out of the 18th.
Come
What a
on.
record.
Continuously striking,
No,
but
no, no.
they are not
Red
much
card. Blue
impactful.
corner.
They need to throw heavy blows to take some slow down from Mukit. Still, Mukit managed to keep his guard up. He's a strong high guard. What a 1-2 combination from Mukit.
Stop.
Landed
Red.
clean.
No holding. Box.
A few jabs from Muhammad.
He's delivering enough punches. He's not worried about backing off. Just constant pressure.
No holding. Red.
Body punch. As both boxers getting close. Mukit. Outstanding. I mean, you're gonna be way better than that. That's the statement made by all the Kazakh
up.
boxers right throughout the
Box.
day.
Mukit
If you are to go through us, you're gonna need outstanding performance. But disappointingly, none of the other boxers
Stop. Red.
producing that
Box.
level of boxing to upset the rhythm of Kazakh boxers.
That body shot may be really painful to bear. Look at the way that he's targeting those body blows. Thrown precisely. Well calculated.
Stop.
Left and a right.
Red. No low blow. Okay. Box.
Deemed too low by the ref. Left.
Head up. Blue. Head up.
Mukit has it strong from the first round. Strong presence.
That one quite clearly missed.
No holding. Red
Just
corner. No
about touching
holding.
the ear. And there goes another touch.
He has the
Made the
pace,
connection.
Stop.
speed.
Yet another one-sided round. I'm thinking gold medal number 18. What a story it has been. I mean, the start of the tournament, we knew Kazakhstan, they'll be a very, very strong, it will be a very tough time for the rest of the Asia. They pretty much exceeded our expectations. We were hoping that the rest of the teams will come up with sufficient enough performance to pressurize them. Not to be, take a look at it, so much power. And he's keeping his guard at the same time. That's very tough.
These Kazakhstan boxers are true athletes. They have that unwavering determination and strong training. That's what makes them those boxers.
Seconds out.
Red. No holding. Okay.
They have that agile footworks.
Box.
Like
Third and
Round
final
3.
round is underway. Mukit. I thought he's done enough. Muhammad. Needing an outstanding round. Take a look at his showmanship on display as he marches forward. Looking for more punches. Not slowing down. Incredible stamina.
Muhammad keep coming close, but yet he unable to strike hard. Mukit keep coming
See
close.
how easily he touches the upstairs with his left.
As you said, Damik, he has a strong left. This Kazakhstan boxer. Get that precise
Open
timing.
close.
Yet another powerful
Yes.
right landed. This is what exactly Muhammad should be doing right throughout the first two rounds. Now it's too little too late. Whichever the case, strong finish will definitely give him some sort of consolation. But nothing's to stop yet another Kazakh boxer walking away with a gold medal
Actually,
around his neck.
this Mukit, look at his guard. Even though he's striking, he's quicking, guarding himself. Wow, the boxer. That's quick movement.
Combination landed right there. It's been all too easy.
Wow. Opponent
On
is
the
in
left
pressure.
and a right and a combination. What strike rate? Oh my
Muhammad.
goodness.
Muhammad trying so hard to reach Mukit body, but
Stop.
his guard
1,
is protecting
2,
him. Now the count.
3,
I thought
4,
referee took just
5,
about
6, 7.
5 minutes too late to
Hey.
give him a count. During the
Box.
second round itself, quite a few similar punches. Kept going. Another left. What a brilliant fighter. Mukeeth.
He's calm, steady, looking for the perfect
The
punch
right
place.
landed. He's winding it up. He's winding it up.
That's a clever uppercut,
Just,
but that
uh,
misses.
Couple of powerful blows away.
Blue, head up.
How he moves
Oh,
out.
that's a
Even
nice
another.
body punch
No, no, no,
landed.
blue. No, no, blue. Stop.
That's
The
nice.
second count.
2.
I mean,
3,
it's taken too
4,
long for them to go for a
5,
count. But prior to that,
6.
there has been
7,
flurry of punches. They could
8.
have easily gone for the count, which was the
Box.
case. 20
No, no,
seconds
blue.
remaining, which means we will go till the end of the first 3 rounds after a while.
Stop. Red. Red. No. Box.
Final 10 seconds. One-sided,
Head up. Stop.
all too easy, whichever way you may call it. Gold medal number 18th for Kazakhstan. What a dominant story.
They know their results in the very beginning. So as we watch today, they brought 16 or 17 medals to their countries without getting a hard game.
The winner of this bout on points by unanimous decision is the boxer from the red corner, Mukeeth Nurkabiluli, representing Kazakhstan.
Mukeeth Nurkabiluli, commanding win. Take a look at this.